Hello guys, welcome to .NET Tutor. In this video, we are going to learn about HTML tags such as title, favicon, image. So these three concepts we are going to learn in this tutorial. And if you didn't watch the previous sessions like part 1, 2, 3, 4, you can check in playlist of .NET Tutor. And in this tutorial, we are learning title and favicon. Title is nothing but every web page will load. After loading, every web page is having some title like this. Suppose if you open Gmail, we are having a title inbox like this, and we have having some icon related to Gmail icon we can find. So let's see in real time, and we will create one page, and we will see how this works. I'm opening Visual Studio. If you didn't watch about tools need to install in .NET, you can check the playlist. And I am creating one new project. And here I am going with ASP.NET Core Web App. Just create this project. I'm naming this HTML part 5. And we can name the solution HTML real time. That's it. You can name anything and clicking next. And framework is .NET 6 here. You can click create. It's creating project. So the solution is created and the project is opened here. I'm closing this one, and here this MVC application we have having models, views and controllers. The UI pages like HTML we should create in these views. Actually these are the razor views, and now we will create HTML pages here so that it will open. So I am creating here one. Right click on this one, www root, add new item. Here you will find HTML page. Search for HTML page. This is HTML page. HTML, just name, giving name HTML part 5. Add it. Yeah, the page is created with some default coding. And so to get the page title, suppose the body, just for now I'm giving some h1 like welcome to .NET Tutor, and create something, write something for sample page to view. And created some content here. Just I'm running it, this one. Save this file, Control S, and click run. It is running. Just wait. And this is the default page, but what's our page? Check here, HTML part 5. So we have to navigate to this page, HTML part 5. So I will navigate here, HTML part 5. Click enter. Something has happened. So we have to give some extension also, so that the page will open. Okay. And here the matter we have written h1 and paragraph. So we have to give some title. For now the title is localhost, but I want some title here, and this icon I need to change. So what we have to do, go to Visual Studio and give some title here, HTML part 5. Save it, run again. See, just refresh if it is not reflected changes. So here we can see HTML part 5 title for this page, and I need to change this icon now. That is called Favicon, we can say. If you want to change, then go to Visual Studio again, and here below the title I'm giving some link, relation equal icon type equal image or X icon, and here we need to give some reference, what icon, which icon you want to choose to reflect on the page. So for that we need to download the icon. Let's actually having icons, the download I actually downloaded. So let's see this one. So I want to reflect this icon, and I want to display the image also in the page. I want to display this image, and so what I will do is I will add one folder here. So rename this folder images. So right click on this and add existing item, go to downloads, click here all files, and I want to add this to images. Images are added, and now I want to give some path. See, if you type href, it is showing automatically images in images folder, what we have to do. So for this HTML PNG is the icon for me. So close this link, save this. Okay, now run and go to this page. See here, Favicon, this is the icon for this particular page. And I want to display some image below this paragraph. Then I will do like here below the paragraph. Just HTML. Just you can type here img space href. Sorry, img source src equal images, and here you can select HTML images and close this image tag. So this is the one way, and simply, or else you can do one thing, close this, delete this, or you just if you want to display this image, just drag this one, just drag and drop, automatically the image tag also came. Save this and run this one. So now go to this HTML page, just refresh and see if it is not reflected. See here, HTML image also reflected. Yeah, that's it guys for today, and please subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much, and please share with your friends. Thank you very much.